parking spot that isn't by the rebar that I hit 2 days ago. And go all the way over here.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys. So today we're going chip hunting. To be specific, we got to find a gas station as close to the water as possible. The water is on the other side of that building. About 100, there it is. All right, so why are we searching for a gas station, snack shop, something as close to the, heck, we might even have to hit up a vending machine inside of one of these. That might be an idea. So we need potato chips for science. Now, some of you might know, we are going to GRIDLIFE Horizon Festival on official media for RwdyAudi. We got the media passes for GRIDLIFE Horizon. My boy AZ Euros is gonna be there, Drift B5 A4. So guys, it's gonna be an amazing time. Make sure you smash the subscribe button down there below and click that notification bell to get notified of all the content that I put up from GRIDLIFE. I got my tongue twisted a little bit there. But we gotta do two things today. And that's find potato chips and send my boy Steve his postcard from Panama City. Get into this, shall we? So guys, I think this is probably gonna be the closest gas station to sea level. There's the ocean, well, technically Gulf of Mexico. There's a gas station, 900 feet. Why do I mention sea level? Remember, I said this upload was for science, right? Excuse me, at sea level, our pressure is 14.8 bar, or 1 bar, 1 atmosphere. So as we go up the mountain, got a little loud. All right, so the thought here is that at sea level, the chips are supposed to be, the pressure inside the bag is 14.8 PSI, or 1 bar. For us all boost junkies, that's 14.8 PSI, so it's probably about 250-ish horsepower in a 1.8T. Give you an idea. Or if you had a 2.7, might be closer to 300. So what Dom and I are gonna do, or we're gonna buy our favorite chips. He's coming down here to Florida in about a week, and we are gonna find our gas stations as close as to sea level as possible.
It says right now we're at 26 feet. Around or about.
And then we are going to save the chips and we are going to take them up to the top of Pikes Peak for science. So let's go chip hunting. Definitely gonna get some buffalo blue cheese combos. These things are fire. Yeah, we'll get some sweet chili. Do a bag of barbecue. Do a bag of barbecue chips. So we got our snacks. Now we just gotta find a post office. Wherever there's a post office down here, I don't know. But we're gonna find one. Got the postcard mailed, found the UPS. We got our snacks for science. So let me know down in the comment section below what you think is gonna happen to the bags of chips that we bought here at sea level. Now remind you, I think it's like 20,000 feet above sea level that we're gonna be going to. And I think Missouri is something like 2,000 feet above sea level. So let me know in the comment section below what your predictions are with the bags of chips in the back seat, in the bag. Make sure you click that subscribe button, guys. And if you like this video, go ahead, click that like button, help the algorithm, help me out with the algorithm a little bit, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, sometimes the outros are the hardest. Hey, there's 2 more videos here I'll post up. Guys, I know I'm behind on the LSA content. I do apologize. We're almost ready to run. It's almost to that point where we're ready to turn the key and fire it up.